Hello everyone, let's make beet pav bhaji today. For that you'll need to heat a tawa or a flat base kadhai. It should be big in size. Melt the butter and oil together. Add 1 chopped capsicum. Saute it. Then add chopped onions. Saute it for a minute or 2. Once done, add chopped tomatoes, some freshly chopped coriander, then some boiled cauliflower florets, then boiled green peas, some boiled and mashed potatoes. Then add 2 to 3 boiled and grated beetroots. Mix it. Mix well. You can use a deep kadhai and you can see how the bhaji turns out. Add 6 to 7 tablespoons of chili and water paste. Then add garlic, coriander and water paste. Add some freshly made pav-bhaji masala or the masala that you have at home. You have to mix and mash it well. Add some boiling water and keep adding it in small quantities to check the consistency of the bhaji. Add salt as to taste. Mash it again. Squeeze in half a lemon and don't forget to take out the seeds. For step 2, add 1 tablespoon butter, half teaspoon cumin seeds, some garlic and chili paste, then finely chopped coriander. Add the prepared bhaji. Mash it well with a masher. Then add pav-bhaji masala. Then some salt and keep mashing it. Make a cavity in between. Add some boiling water again. Mash it again with masher to give it the right consistency. Keep heating it till you serve. It's ready. Add in some chopped coriander and some butter. Serve it with chopped onions. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you.